नहमदहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। Effects of hate and love on plants. Today's topic is very important. Let me start with one of the facts. An experiment on plants found that plants respond to music and sounds. Plants wither when repeatedly humiliated and threatened, but grow in a healthy way when praised. Experiments on different types of plants have also shown that plants respond differently to different types of music. In an interesting experiment on plants by Swedish flat pack giant IKEA, it has been demonstrated that spoken words can positively or negatively affect plant growth. Two identical plants were involved in the experiment. Both plants were kept under similar conditions and provided with equal amount of water and light. In this experiment, students recorded two types of sentences for these plants. Abusive words were used for one plant, while praiseworthy words were used for the other plant. These two types of recording were played continuously for 30 days. The derogatory words used for one of these plants were as follows: "You look rotten" and "Are you even alive?" But palatable words recorded for another plant include "I like you just the way you are" and "You are making a difference in the world." After 30 days, they found that the plant that heard the derogatory word dried up, while the plant that heard the praise word was completely healthy. This experiment has proved that saying nice things to plants helps them to grow better. Now, we can understand from this experiment, if nice words are helping plants to grow better or be healthy, then 100% these nice words will obviously affect human being also. So we should never taunt, we should never speak wrong, we should never talk abusive about anyone, because it spread a kind of negativity in the atmosphere, and obviously the growth of such person will be destroyed. So hope so that today's topic is very clear, that how the hate and love can affect plants and even the humans. Wama alayna illal balag.